Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to talk today about cabin air filters. Alright guys, so Silva's got just over 80,000 miles and she's kind of been smelling musty, and that made me realize that I have never changed the cabin air filter on this truck. So I ran down to the local O'Reilly's and I picked up this MicroGuard HEPA premium cabin air filter. It's what they had in stock. Let's knock this out pretty quick. It's pretty easy. I think you should be able to knock this out in just a couple minutes. So let me get you guys turned around and we'll get this knocked out. Okay guys, so the cabin air filter is in the lower glove box. You're gonna have to remove this lower glove box in order to get to the cabin air filter. Should be pretty easy though. Go ahead and lower that there. Over here on the side, there's this dampener bar. You're gonna have to remove it. And so it should just pop out. Yep, and then pop forward. Super easy. Let's see if we can get in there and you can see what it looks like. It's really easy attachment. Get my big old fingers out of there and it just slips on. And it should just pop back on. Yep. And then again, just put my thumb in there and just pop it out. And then just pull this guy kind of out of the way a little bit. Up next, there's these two retainers. You can kind of see them there on each side. Just kind of ride up and down on the glove box. These are pretty simple to come out too. You just kind of push in on the side of the glove box on each side and just kind of work them out. Let's see if we can get the light over here too. Yep. And then the glove box just kind of comes off. All right, so once you got the glove box out of the way, and it's super simple, you've got easy access to the cabin air filter right here. Over here on the side, you just pop this little guy loose. There's this clip right here on the side, and I want to describe this just a little bit more than what some of the other videos I've seen do, because this cover has these two other little teeth or whatever that slides into those two retainers, top and bottom. Stick your finger back here and that pops out like so. Pop it off, and then you push on these two and it kind of disengages that. Like I said, this air filter has not been changed ever. And so let's pull this out, see what we're looking at here. And she definitely needed changed. Look at that growtiness. All right, just in case any of you guys are wondering, here are the instructions. And it clearly says that we are to install the air filter with the indicator arrow pointing down. And so there's the airflow indicator. We're gonna go ahead and put this in with the airflow indicator pointing down. She should just slide right in there. Shouldn't have to force anything. It should go in on its own pretty easy. And then for this thing, I think what I'm gonna do is just line it up in between these, let me see if I can get you zoomed in on there. Just line it up on those little clips there. And you're gonna need to kind of slide this guy back into place a little bit. Yep. And then it just pops in. You're good to go. Okay, I've not seen anybody actually show, and there may be a video showing the reinstallation of the glove box. I know it's petty. Take it back, put it back on the way it came off. Super easy, right? So let's just show it in real time what you should be expecting, okay? And if I struggle, you'll see it. Got my light here. And so glove box has got these 4 hinge, clips. I don't know what they're called. That's where the box glides up and down. So I'm going to put those guys in the place that matches correspondingly right here. Boom. Go to slide it up, and you can push it in if you want to, but it should just lock in. And then you should be able just to reach back on that little dampener that we had earlier. And line it up just like what we did earlier. I'll try to clip that one in as well. Just get my big old fingers in here. That's it. Check for functionality. She's good. Now you just refill your junk drawer. Good to go. That little reinstallation took 2 minutes and 15 seconds on this clip. So if you put a timer on it, it's probably less because I edited it a little bit. It's not that bad of a job, guys. You should be able to knock this out in 10 minutes or so if you have any mechanical aptitude. I'll put a affiliate link down in the description if you want to pick up this filter from Amazon or something like that, or if you just want to go to O'Reilly's, pick it up. It's the part number 4062 HP. That's the one I got. And so now we'll give Silva a good start. Let's do the old smell test. Oh yeah, almost instantly. Oh yeah, much better, instantly. Love it. Oh, smell test. Smells good. Hope you guys got something out of that. If you got any questions, feel free to hit me up down in the comments. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.